Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chat Flow. So in this video, we are going to understand how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for a dog training center. So as a owner of a dog training center, I receive a lot of queries about our services on my WhatsApp number. So now I want to instantly reply to those queries using a WhatsApp chatbot. So here I'm going to build this chatbot by using an all-in-one solution for your WhatsApp communication, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So to learn about this chatbot in the detail, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot for your dog training center to automatically reply to common queries like schedules, fees and programs. So it's a great way to save time and keep pet parents happy with instant responses. Alright, so as you all know that as someone running a dog training center, I get a lot of messages every day from pet owners asking about training schedules, fees, available slots and the types of programs we offer. So responding to each message manually takes a lot of time and sometimes leads to delays in replies. So by building a WhatsApp chatbot, I can answer common questions instantly, share details about training packages and even collect booking information 24/7. So it saves me a lot of time, keeps pet parents happy with quick responses and helps me focus more on training the dogs while the chatbot handles the routine query. Alright, so now here we are going to use a WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow, to build this entire WhatsApp chatbot. So here on the screen you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's homepage and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/chatflow/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build my WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to select Pabbly Chat Flow from this all Pabbly apps window by clicking on this access now button given over here. And now here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's dashboard. So here you all might be thinking that basically what is Pabbly Chat Flow? So now let me give a brief about it. So Pabbly Chat Flow is the tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their website and apps. So it's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chat Flow to save time, improve customer support and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable and helps businesses provide quick responses which keeps customers happy and boosts conversions. Alright, so this was all about Pabbly Chat Flow, and now here before moving forward with building the chatbot, let me tell you that I've already set up my Pabbly Chat Flow account over here. So here if you want to learn step-by-step detailed setup of your Pabbly Chat Flow account, then you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. And also if you want to learn about some amazing features of Pabbly Chat Flow that are available in the left side bar, then you can check out the videos that are dedicated to each of the feature on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so now here let's move forward with building the WhatsApp chatbot. So for that we are going to click on this flows given the left side bar. And here under this flow builder, you can see some bots that I've already created using my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So now here in this video, we are going to create a new WhatsApp chatbot from scratch. So for that, we are going to click on this add a flow button given on the top right corner. And now firstly we are going to give a name to our flow, that is Dog Training Center, because I'm going to create this chatbot for my dog training center. So I'm going to give that specific name. And now you have to giving a name to our flow. Let's move forward with the flow start. So in this flow start box, I need to set up my flow start. That means the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see I can select the keywords, regex and template for my flow start over here. So now firstly here we are going to choose trigger type as keywords, meaning that the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So here we can add the keywords like some basic keywords using which a customer can start the conversation, such as hey, and then we are going to press enter, and then we are going to add the words as hi and another basic word as hello. So these are the keywords, and now whenever a user sends a message with these words, then the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different ways. So one person might say, tell me more about your dog training center, while another might write, I want to know about your training services. So instead of listing every possible variation over here in our keywords, we are going to use regex, that are regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. For For example, using a regex pattern like this, the chatbot will detect the common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. So here you can see the regex words that I've added, such as interested, training, dog, or the service. So whenever my customers are going to use any sort of words in their sentences or the text, then automatically this flow is going to get triggered. Alright, so here we need to enter the regex to match the substring's trigger. So here we add the regex to match the substring trigger, and here you need to enable this toggle for each sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you can enable toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so here I have not entered any sensitive regex, so here I am not going to enable this toggle button, but here if you are using sensitive regex, then you need to enable this toggle button. Alright, so here I am using my trigger as keywords and regex, that's why I am not going to select the template over here. But here if you want to trigger the WhatsApp chatbot through a template, or you can say the broadcast message, then you can select the template by clicking on this choose template button given over here. Alright, so this was all about the flow start. So now let's move to our next step. So we are going to add a text box over here. So I'm going to select text plus button box, and here in this message box I'm going to enter a welcome message that I want to send to my customer whenever they are going to text to my WhatsApp number, or whenever they are going to ask about any query on my WhatsApp number. So here I'm going to add a basic welcome message such as, hi, welcome to Perfect Training Center, professional dog training made fun. How can we assist you today? So this is the basic hello message, and then I'm going to add a button over here. So by adding a button, I'm going to give options for the quick replies to my customers with this message box. So here firstly I'm going to add a button with the text that says training programs. So my customer can select the option for training programs, and similarly I'm going to add two more buttons over here with the text such as book free trial and contact us. So basically here I've added three quick replies button for this particular hello message that says training programs, book free trial and contact us. So with this we have successfully completed this message box. So now let's move forward and let's set up this particular option, that is training programs. So if my customers select this training programs option, then automatically they are going to receive a text which says we offer puppy training, basic obedience and behavior correction. So these are the training programs that we offer, and similarly after this message I'm going to add two more options for my customers such as program info or back to menu. Alright, so here we have added two more buttons such as program info and back to menu. So here if my user selects back to menu, then automatically I want to send this particular message again. So for that I'm going to connect this back to menu button with this particular message box button to send this message again for the back to menu. Alright, so now here we have set up this back to menu option, and now we are going to set up this program info. So I'm going to add a text box again for this program info, and here I'm going to add the details as sessions are for 45 minutes in small groups or one-on-one, available weekdays and weekends. So this is the message that I want to send for the program info, and now similarly for this message box I'm going to add two more buttons over here. So here in the first button I'm going to give the option for book a free trial, and then I'm going to add the second box as back to menu. Alright, so here I've added the text box for book free trial and back to menu. So again for the back to menu I'm going to connect this button with my previous message box, that is the main menu, and now after building a connection you can see my second text button was for the book free trial over here in this message box, and similarly I've added a book free trial button in this message box as well. So now I'm going to set a common message for both of these buttons. So for that I'm going to add a text box firstly over here, and here in this text box I'm going to enter the text as let's get started, choose your slot. So here for the free trial we are going to add slots over here. So firstly I'm going to enter the slot as weekday, and similarly I'm going to enter the second slot as weekend. And now here after ending both these slots we are going to add another button that says back to menu. Alright, so again I'm going to connect this back to menu button with the main message box of our chatbot. I'm going to connect this book a free trial message box to this button as well, because here in this message box we have added a similar button for book free trial. Alright, so I'm going to connect that similar message box for this book a free trial, and with this we have successfully completed the WhatsApp chatbot till now. Alright, so now here after giving a slot to my customers, I want to send them thank you message after they select a particular slot. So for that I'm going to add a text button over here, And then here for the text box, I'm going to enter the text as, thank you, your free trial request has been received. We will get in touch soon to confirm the details. Looking forward to training with your furry friend. Alright, so this is the thank you message that I want to send for the slot booking. And then similarly, I'm going to add two more buttons over here with the text such as, back to menu and contact us. So I have added two more buttons, but here firstly we are going to connect this weekend slot option with this thank you message as well, so that if my customer select any of the slot, then automatically the similar message should be sent to my customer. Alright, so we have built this connection, and now we are going to connect this back to menu button again to the main message that we created. So I'm going to connect this button. And then we have added a button for contact us, and here you can see similarly we have added a button for contact us in the main message box as well. So now we are going to create the text box for this contact us, and here I'm going to enter the message as our contact details such as call or WhatsApp number, location and the website for our training center. Alright, so here I've added the contact details, and similarly I'm going to add a button as well for this message box which says back to menu. Alright, so again I'm going to connect this back to menu button with the first message that we created, and with this we have successfully connected this contact us message box as well. So now here we are going to connect this contact us button that we have entered in this thank you message box with the same contact us message box that we created over here just right now. So we have built this connection, and with this we have successfully completed the setup of our WhatsApp chat bot. Alright, so now firstly we are going to save our WhatsApp chat bot over here by clicking on this save button, and here you can see it says flow updated successfully. So that means we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot using a Pabbly chat flow for our dog training center. And now firstly we are going to see the working of this entire chatbot that we created through a WhatsApp message. So for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account, and this is my chat flow number that I'm using to get the customer inquiries. Alright, so here I'm going to enter a message that says, hey, I want to know about your dog training services. Alright, so this is the message that I'm going to send. And here you can see we have successfully received a reply that says, hi, welcome to Perfect Training Center, professional dog training made fun. How can we assist you today? And here you can see the 3 quick replies button that we have received with this message that says training programs, book free trial and contact us. So now from here I'm going to select the first button that is training programs. And here you can see we have received the training programs that it offers such as puppy training, basic obedience and behavior correction. And with this we have received 2 more buttons that are program info and back to menu. So I'm going to select program info, and here you can see it has given us the info for the program and an option for book a free trial and back to menu. So let's select back to menu, and we are back with the main message. So now from here I'm going to select book a free trial, and then you can see it has sent me a message to select my slot. So let's select the slot as weekend. And then it has sent me a thank you message that says, thank you, your free trial request has been received. We will get in touch soon to confirm the details. Looking forward to training with your furry friend. And we have received 2 options such as back to menu and contact us. So let's select contact us from here. And here you can see we have received the contact details and the option for back to menu. So let's click on this back to menu. And again we are back to this particular WhatsApp message, back to this welcome message that we sent to our customer first. Alright, so this was all about the working of this WhatsApp chatbot that we just right now created using Pabbly chat flow. Alright, so now let me summarize this entire chatbot that we just now created. So here we have selected a flow start. That means we have set up our trigger with the keywords and the regex. And here after setting up our trigger, we have entered a text box with our welcome message and the 3 quick replies button that are training programs, book a free trial and contact us. And after that, we have set up a chatbot for this training programs quick reply button with the services we offer and the buttons as program info and back to menu. And then we have added another message box with the program info and the options for book a free trial and back to menu. And then here we have created a book a free trial message that we have created for this particular button, and then we have connected this book a free trial message box to the similar button that we created in our program info message box. And after connecting the book a free trial message box, we have created a thank you message box so that we can send that thank you message message to a customer who has booked a free trial slot. Alright, so now here in this text box we have added two more buttons such as back to menu and the contact us. So here we have similarly added the contact us button in our main message. So here we have added a message box for that contact us details with all our contact details, and then we have added the option for back to menu, and then we have connected this message box to this contact us button as well. Alright, so this was all about how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for Dog Training Center. I hope this entire chatbot was clear to you. And now if you want to learn about more some amazing chatbots in future, then stay tuned on our YouTube channel. And also if you have any query, then you can post that query in the comment box below. I hope this chatbot was clear to you. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.